Hi there and welcome to Scriptigo Pro. If you are on the free version of this app, it's called Scriptigo Reader and it's available on iOS and macOS. So during this video, we are going to cover the basics of creating a new script or importing an existing script. So right now, here I am on the home screen. And to get started, we are going to click on the plus icon at the top right, and that's going to open up the new and import screen. Now, when it comes to importing, at the very bottom, you'll notice the different file types that we accept. We have Final Draft, Microsoft Word, Adobe PDF, plain text documents, and Fountain. Now, we can import by selecting a file from our phone, adding our Dropbox account, or adding our Google Drive account. We can also browse templates and sample scripts by clicking on this option here. And here you'll see that we have sample templates for theater, film, and television, as well as scripts from Shakespeare here at the bottom. So to get started, I'm going to start with the theater play, The Importance of Being Earnest. All I'm going to do is click the download button to the right of it, and that's going to import it here into my home screen. And the plays are automatically backed up to your iCloud account. Now let's go ahead and open up the script by tapping on it. Now, if you are on the iPad, the menu is at the top, and on the iPhone, the menu is along the bottom of the screen. So let's go ahead and click on the three dots to open up our settings. Then let's go into the script settings. The first option that we have is screenplay mode. So by default, we are in play script mode right now. And by turning this on or off, it simply controls the formatting when you are reading the script and which items in the scripts appear in the scenes menu. So screenplay mode should be off for this particular script, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it on. Then I'm going to go back to show you the difference. And as I scroll through here, we can see what that looks like. And if I go back inside and I turn it back off and we go back to the script itself, we can see the difference. All right, so now let's go back inside of our settings and back inside of our script settings. Underneath the character options for my characters, let's click on that. And the app will automatically recognize the characters that are inside of your script. So you can choose one of them here, and that will allow you to automatically highlight all of that character's lines inside of the script. Let's jump back, and just below that, we have Swipe Study. If you enable Swipe Study, your character's lines will be hidden until you swipe over the highlighted area to reveal them. This is a helpful study tool when you are rehearsing your lines. The font settings customize the look of the script and control things like hyphenation. Other settings here control the order of scripts on the home screen, show hide menus, and line numbers. Let's go ahead and go back, and this time let's go inside of our import settings. There are two options. By default, they can be imported as is, or if this setting is enabled, the app will attempt to extract the text from the PDF and create a Fountain format script that you can edit and highlight. If the imported script does not look right, check the source of your PDF or other file. Sometimes PDFs are just images and contain no text to be imported, and in those cases, you should disable this setting. If the imported text seems incorrectly formatted, you can try turning on edit mode and running the script doctor for recommendations on ways to fix the formatting. Let's go back and let's click on Done. At the top right, we have the magnifying glass, which is the search. The search is an easy way to find text inside of your script. You can just type in the text, hit search, and simply jump through the results by clicking the little arrow icons. Let's close out of that for now. When reading the script, you'll notice breaks where the pages are as you scroll. This shows where the page breaks would be if the scripts were printed, which should be comparable with a printed version of the script. So those using paper and the app are both literally on the same page. So just to wrap it up, let's go back to the home page here. We can click on the plus symbol and we can import our own script, start from scratch, or browse one of the templates and sample scripts from theater, film, television, and even Shakespeare. Inside of each script, if we go back here, open up our script once again, we can go inside of our settings and switch between screenplay mode and play script mode. We can highlight our characters' lines, change our fonts, and other visual settings, swipe study feature, and search. And that wraps up our getting started video with importing and creating new scripts. In the next video, we're going to talk about writing and the editing of scripts. I'll see you there.